many ship owners up North Europe, they're paying 4,500 AB, 5,000 euros. Yes, then people, ship owners down south are 3,000, 2,900. If you go further south, if you go to Africa, then we are getting ITF, IBF wages, 1,900 euros, and that is the market. Which way would you like to have the best quality crew? Then for that you need to have a huge AI and the database crew management company helping you, dear ship owner, because do you want to go so high or so low or just in between? Or are we talking about safety? Yeah, why not talk about safety? This is Christmas, Happy New Year. So let's have a gift for you, dear ship owner. We have 160,000 seafarers in our database, all the different strategic countries that are very close to our operations. For example, we have operations in Indonesia and Asia. We made some videos about Asia, Africa, Europe and America. ESG, corporate social responsibility, how to invest in your own company, because if you have goodwill and talent, then the companies survive, like Candina, already 5 generations this year, and we are starting next year, 2026, with the 5th generation already starting here. 20-year-old, but learning fast, mean about data and AI, because it's the competitive advantages. Now all the big companies like Amazon is tying up with OpenAI, Anthropic, or this huge Oracle issue about 300 billion data centers and so on. Well, Candina has the biggest database where you are the ship owner, and we can have the biggest database where you plan to be. But the question, I don't think, is about the budget myself, because there's not a big gap. You can pay 5,000 euros AB North Europe if there is any available, and you can pay 3,000 if there is any available, or 1,900 if there is any available. But the question is, do we have a talent on board the fleet, how we plan the next generation, and how we can be competitive, because ships become bigger and bigger and bigger, and we need the crew to stay, so we need to have plans that are long-term to keep the talent. That's my thoughts. But your thoughts should be, yes, why not? Plus the cost, yes, because if everybody pays 5,000 euros for an AB in Filipinas or in India, then many ship owners go bankrupt, yes. So, or you need to have economies of scale, huge ships, very small crew. Therefore, if you need to have a solution 2026 and you don't have the number of seafarers in your database, ask your crew management manager, how many seafarers do you have in the database? Well, Candina has 170,000. Specialized strategic in the countries that you are at, and also we can go together like a family, 5 more generations, because that's how we lasted so long. And we have many ship owners, the family ship owners, because it's a strategic tie, long term. Piano piano va lontano is a beautiful phrase from Italy. Thank you. Bye.